I'm here today to tell you about Pittsburgh's fastest growing secret, M@C Discount, aka MacBid. It's an auction site where you can bid on open box items from Amazon as well as many other retailers. To get started, download the app and create an account. Next, start shopping for items by browsing or by using the search box. Items are labeled as like new, open box, or damaged. Make sure you don't bid on damaged items unless you're aware of their condition. Auctions always end on weekdays. There are never any auctions that end on weekends or holidays. Likewise, you can only pick up items you have won from M@C warehouses on weekdays during business hours 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. To find out the warehouses that are close to you, click this icon. Toggle the warehouses where you're willing to travel. This will narrow down the auctions you're shown to only include items from these locations. If you toggle the top option, searches will also include items that can be shipped to any of these locations. Transferring an item from warehouse to warehouse costs $5. For $30 a month, you become a member of the M@C Buyers Club, which allows you to ship items from one warehouse to another for free. Additionally, you are given the chance to hold items for a few extra days without charge. In the app settings, you can even choose one warehouse per region where all of the items you win will automatically be shipped. Some large items cannot be transferred, so make sure you are aware of that before placing your bid. Auctions are over at specific times, usually after 6 p.m. However, as long as people are bidding on an item, the auction will continue. If the auction has less than 2 minutes remaining, a new, high bid, will restart the timer to 2 minutes again. When you win an auction, payment must be made within 24 hours, or there's a $10 fee added. To simplify things, you can just add a credit card to your account so the payment is deducted automatically. You can add items that you're interested in to your watch list. When you click on this icon, it will show all the items on your watch list in order of when the auctions end, starting with the soonest. When you win an auction, the item will show up in the Awaiting Pickup section. When you arrive at the warehouse to pick up the items you've won, click the icon that says, Check in for pickup, and an employee will scan your barcode and assist you in finding your items. By the way, in case anyone is wondering, the name stands for Merchandise at Cost. Good luck, and be warned, you will become addicted to M@C.